children?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
We were doing good afternoon. Good afternoon. We were doing practice questions from the workbook.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 67. So all of you please take out 61. We are going to do question number 21.
Okay, ma'am.
21. Rohit, can you read?
Page number is 67.
Yes, page number 67. Question number 21. Yes, Rohit, can you read? Rohit?
Yes,
Hmm.
meter, 1.28 meter, 1.35 meter, 1.40 meter, 1.48 meter, and 1.50 meter. Raju is the seventh and the last student to stand in the line. What should be his height?
Okay, so children, a height of 6 students is given. And Raju is the 7th boy. Okay, so how they will stand according from small to greater height? Yes, small numbers. So it is like arranging the comparing the decimal numbers. Then we will arrange in ascending order from small to big. Now we have to find out Raju is the 7th and the last student to stand in the line. What should be his height? Okay, so all of you please look in your book and see which is the highest one and what can be Raju's height. Yes.
1.50.
Ah.
1.50.
Some network problem. I cannot hear you properly. So children, it is 1.50 is the greatest. So what can be Raju's height? It should be more than. Yes. It is arranged in order, but my question is, what can be Raju's height? It should be more than the largest number. It should be more than which number?
Largest number.
Which is the largest number? Tell me. 1.50.
1.58.
Okay. So if Raju has to be stand as a 7th boy or he's the last boy standing in the line, so his height should be greater than 1.50 meter. Okay, children. Understood?
1.58.
It can be any number. More, it should be, we can say it should be more than 1.5. Okay. So children, can we start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So question number 21.
Ma'am, we can give any number.
No need. We cannot give any number. We should just say it should be more than. Okay, page number 67. Page number 67. We are doing question number 21. So we had to write the numbers given. So the heights of 6 students are the height of 6 students.
Ma'am, 6 or 7? 6 or 7?
So how many heights are given? Count and tell me.
Ma'am, 5. 6. 6, ma'am. 6.
6. Height of 6 students are.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. 1.22 meter. 1.28 meter.
Excuse me,
1. Yes.
Only 4 lines.
Only 4 lines.
We have only 4 lines.
So you can write this in one sentence, one line. This is one line, okay? 1.35 meter, 1.40 meter, 1.48 meter, and 1.50 meter. Meter. Okay. Now the height of the, so which is the height of the largest boy? So which is the number is bigger? The height of the tallest student is. Children write smaller. We don't have much to write, but you have to be check whether you have enough place. The height of the tallest student. The height of the The height of the tallest student is is 1.50 meter. Raju has to stand as a seventh boy. Yes, Raju
Yes, ma'am.
has to stand. Stand seventh in the line. So he has to be more than 1.50 meter. Yes. Therefore, Raju's height must be greater than 1.50 meter. Therefore, Raju's height must be.
It's 1.58 meter.
More, it should be greater than. Raju's height must be greater than.
1.59, ma'am.
We just see what we are writing. Must be greater than.
When they asked for Raju's height, right?
Wait. Greater than.
I don't have space to write.
Now finish. This is the last one. Finished. Children, what should be his height? This is the question. What should be? It should be more than 1.50. Okay. If it is more than 1.50, even if it is 1.51, he can be the seventh boy. If it is 1.52, he can stand there. But we cannot say how much it is because we don't know his height. But we must say that he should be more than 1.5. Understood? Because the last boy, that is the sixth boy's height is 1.50 meter. So if he should be the seventh boy, it should be more than 1.5. That is clear. But we don't know which one. So we will just write, therefore, Raju's height must be greater than 1.5 meter. Yes, children, we don't know his height. But we know the height of 6 other students. And which is the highest or which is the greatest number? That also we know. Which is the highest
Excuse
one?
me, ma'am.
50.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, can you share the screen?
Yeah.
Ma'am, what if they asked us to write the height of Raju?
What should be? Okay. Can we predict somebody's? If we don't know how we can.
Ma'am, next question.
Wait, Angelina. Let them finish this.
I'm fine, good, finished.
Ma'am, can I?
Children finished?
Yes,
All of you?
ma'am. Yes,
All of you?
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, Angelina, read question number 22A.
Okay, ma'am. 6 students were running a race. The time taken by the first 5 students to reach the finish line are 1.6 minute, 1.62 minute, 1.67 minute, 1.65 minute, and 1.71 minute. Arrange their timings in ascending order. What should be the time taken by the last runner to reach the finish line? And it is same like the
Same like this. Okay. So
21st
here,
question.
1.71.
Ending order.
which is the, it is given in order?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Only 1.67.
1.6, 1.62, 1.67, 1.65. It should be the before 1.67. Yes. Then
Yes.
1.71. Which is the highest number? Which is the highest number? 1 point,
Can you share the book?
Minutes.
1.71. Yes. So the question is, what should be the time taken by? So we cannot say which is the time. we can say it can be, which is
Less
the time taken by the last runner, it will be more than 1.71. Okay, 1.71.
and sometimes it may be less than 1.71 also, no?
How? Then
And
he
because
will not be the last runner. Then he will not be the last runner.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Here we should do so many steps.
So children,
So
we,
should convert.
please see that we have question number A and all the children, we have question number 22, we have A and B. So you have to arrange the space, okay, for question number A and question number B. Plan and you have to write a small letter, okay, small handwriting. Question number 22A. So as usual, we will write the time taken by the first 5 runners.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, here we should convert on like a decimal to like decimal.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me take easy board. Okay. So here
We can see the highest decimal directly, right?
we can see. But we are just writing the steps with what are the time taken by.
Ma'am, so we need to
So
write the
6
steps
students
of,
are
converting
running.
like into like decimals.
We can make. So children, check how many how many students time is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 numbers are given. 5 students time is given. We have to find out the 6th student. So 6th student, if he is the last runner, it should be more than 1.71. So what we will write here, we will start question number 22A. Time taken by the first 5 runners. Time taken by first 5 runners. Time taken by first 5 runners are 1.6 meter, 1.6 minutes, time taken. So it is 1.6 minutes, then 1.62 minutes, 1.67 minutes,
Not meter, ma'am, minutes.
1.65 minutes, and 1.71. Okay, now we can compare this arranged in ascending order. Arranging in ascending order. We have to write 2, so I am not writing that comparing step. So arranging in ascending order. Nandida, can you tell me that arranging in ascending order, which is the small, you have to start from there.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the smallest one? Arranging in 1.6
1.6 minutes.
Yes, 1.6. Arranging in ascending order, 1.6. Then, which is the next one?
1.62 minutes.
Yes, 1.262 minutes. Then,
1.65 minutes.
yes, then
1.67 minutes.
one more is there.
And 1.7 minute.
Yes, only this much. So children, 6 students were participating in that event and there's 5 students time taken that is given. So 1.71 is the maximum time taken by the, so it will be the last out of these 5. And if we have sixth one, what should be his time? Only 5 students time is given. So the last one, the sixth participant should be greater than 1.7. Okay. 1.71. So we can write that as a step. So the time taken by the last runner. So the time taken by the last runner. Last runner to reach the finish line. To reach the finish line must be more than 1.71 minutes. Must be more than.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I write like this? So the time taken by the last runner is greater than 1.71
That also correct. Must be more than 1.71 minutes. ഒരു 3 കൂടി ഉള്ളൂ. 1.71 minutes. Finish, children? I told them after this.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished.
Ma'am,
Children finished? Only the last part B. We have last part B.
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Yes, I will share this. So children, here time taken by the first 5 runners are given. We have arranged them in ascending order from small to big. So the last person, the 6th person should finish should be more than 1.71.
More than
minutes.
1.71 minutes.
Yes. So last question number B.
Ma'am, can they read?
Who?
Diya.
Diya. Yes, Diya.
Sulekha purchased a few items that cost rupees 21.61, rupees 20.70, rupees 22.84, rupees 22.91 and 20.80. What are the costs of the object with the least and the highest amount?
So Sulekha purchased a few items and the cost is given 21.61 rupees, 20.70 rupees, 22.84 rupees, 22.91 and 20.80. What are the cost of the objects with the least and the highest amount? The least means you have to find out which is the smallest one. So who can tell me which is the smallest number? Yes.
And 20.70.
I'm 20.70.
20.70. We will, how I told you to read 20.70. 70. Okay. So which is highest amount?
22.91.
22.91.
Yes, items price is given. We have to identify which has less price and which have the maximum amount. Yes.
Only that much?
Only that much.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who is calling? Yes, children. So this is the last one. Question number B. Cost of the items. Cost of the items. We can write if Sulekha purchased. Cost of the items I'm writing that much only. If you want to write, you can write cost of the items that Sulekha purchased. And it is given in rupees. Cost of the items purchased. Rupees 21.61. Rupees 20.70. Then rupees 22.84. Rupees 22.91.
Ma'am, I finished.
Very good. Please check. And the last one is rupees 20.80. 20.80. So arrange in ascending order. Arrange that in ascending order. Amna, can you say the answer? Arrange in ascending order and tell me.
Ma'am, ascending order. Ma'am, should I say ascending order?
Yes, arrange ascending order.
20.70.
20.70.
20.70. 20.80.
Yes, 20.80.
21.61.
21.61. Then
22.84.
22.84.
22.91.
22.91. Is it correct, children? Yes, all of you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Point. So first we can see two numbers are there, integral part 20. So we will compare the 10th place. It is 7 and here it is 8. So 20.70 is less than 20.80. Then we have 21.61, 22.84 and 22.9. So we have to write object with the least amount. Object with the least amount. Object with the least amount. Which is the least one?
20.70 hundred.
20 point. How to read? 70.
Ma'am, I told 70 hundreds.
70 hundreds also we can write. 20.70. Okay. Now object with the highest amount. Which is the greatest one? Object with the highest amount.
22.91.
Yes. Object with the highest amount. So that is the last one. Rupees 22.91.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes. So children finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Write it faster. I will send the notes in the WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, finished.
Now we will discuss with the projects.
Okay, ma'am.
So here cost of the items we had to write, that is given. Then what we have done, only arrange them in ascending order. Then if we arrange them in ascending order, it is very clear which is the smallest and which is the highest. So object with the least amount is 20.70 and object with the highest amount is 22.91.
Now can we discuss project?
Yeah. Children, all of you completed? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll send the notes. Okay.